Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on this secure boot on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do if just to go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. And of course, if you have a Windows 10 PC, you can just go and upgrade to Windows 11 through your settings. It's totally free, and of course, you can run it into the background if you want to upgrade to Windows 11. You can use your PC. It might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And of course, once everything is downloaded, you will be notified to reboot or to restart your PC. And once you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11. And of course, you will have even a recovery point if you want to go back to your Windows 10. So as we said, we would like to turn on the secure boot on the Windows 11. So first of all, just press the Windows key or the Windows icon on your PC and type system information and click at or hit the enter button. System information, click at the enter button, and that should open this for you. Now click at whatever you want here and type secure boot, and that should take you into the secure boot state. Of course, as you can see, for me, I have it on. But if you have it on, if you have it off and you want to turn it on, make sure to just go and to your settings now. And of course, what you would like to do. So let me just go and open settings again. It gets closed, and now you would like to go and into updates, or not this one. So let me just type recovery better and click at this recovery option, and on this advanced startup click at restart now. Once you click on this, your PC will restart and it will open on your BIOS. And of course, into your BIOS, make sure to click on settings and you will find the option of secure boots, and just enable it and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.